Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz and today we are back with another incredible dish. This is a new season where we will be teaching you all the homely recipes, restaurant style, how you can make it easy way at your home. So today we are beginning with a very special flavorsome dish which is called chicken steak in cheesy mushroom sauce. Let's go about and let's learn how to produce this mouth-watering dish in like very few steps. Let's go and let's learn.
To begin with, one chicken breast, prefer baby chicken, and we'll start to prick it nicely with the fork so that all the marination oozes out nicely and cooks evenly. 1 tablespoon olive oil or any sunflower oil, mild flavor oil available with you, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper powder just to get a little heated up. We'll add in dry rosemary for amazing flavor. You can add more herbs as well. If you have dried basil, you can use fresh basil as well. Next, we'll be adding some oregano and we will be adding chopped garlic. Make sure you have finely chopped garlic so it can ooze inside properly. Adding chili flakes to add a little more heat. We're gonna use the tip of the finger to marinate the chicken breast properly so that we make sure each and every part of the herbs gets into the chicken properly. So just a couple of flips and we are ready to go. Pan nice and hot. Just make sure your pan is extremely hot. Adding a knob of butter to the hot pan. Then away from you, slide the chicken in and make sure you are pressing it properly so that your chicken cooks evenly like this. Beautiful. Just keep turning it after every 60 seconds so that your chicken cooks evenly from both the sides. Just keep sure you're pressing it slightly and basting it again and again with the additional butter from the top. Just make sure you are flipping it again. So I'm adding more butter here just to keep the chicken moist and juicy from top and bottom, and this will be amazing. So just rejuvenating all the herbs with the additional butter and baste it on top again. Keep flipping it, as I said, after every 60 seconds. Turns out to make your chicken extremely soft and tender. Just put the base butter on the top and all the herbs on the chicken. Now it's the time to take it out of the pan. Cook the breast for approximately 3.5 to 4 minutes and it will be good to go. But you have to make sure you're using a baby chicken, not a very giant chicken breast. Otherwise the meat will be hard. I'm using the same pan, adding more butter for the sauce. Few splash of olive oil into the same pan, adding 1 heaped tablespoon of chopped garlic and little celery, giving the sauce a really nice stir. Sauteing the garlic properly is very important for a very good sauce. Let the garlic cook. Then I'll be adding 70 ml of fresh cream into the pan just to give it that nice delightful body to the sauce. Just cooking it for a few more seconds. Then I'll be adding 70 ml of water by cleaning the cup. Dried rosemary and basil goes in to enhance the flavor of the sauce. Be adding oregano and chili flakes from the top and allow the sauce to cook with some button mushrooms. I've taken canned mushrooms. I've cut them into half. Pinch of black pepper and salt just to adjust the seasoning. 50 to 70 grams of processed cheese goes in to make the sauce extremely delicious. Adding another 70 ml of water just to bring everything together and allow the mushrooms to cook for another 30 seconds. Stirring it well and allowing it to cook. Overall time to prepare sauce will be 3 to 3.5 minutes. Taking the grilled chicken on the chopping board, slicing it according to the piece edibly required for me. You can make bigger or smaller chunks as well. Just showing you how juicy and spongy the chicken is. It is absolutely flavorsome, absolutely soft and full of juice. Incredible. It is. If you are a health freak, you are ready to go with this chicken pieces, and it is absolutely delicious, ready to go. No need to add sauce as well, but to make it a complete dish, sauce is a must. Adding half teaspoon of sugar and chopped spring onion to give a final touches to the sauce. Adding spring onion on purpose because I want to give the sauce a nice earthy flavor which celery or other herbs will not be able to provide. So now final plating time, taking the sliced chicken onto the beautiful plate right at the center, arranging it nicely so that it looks beautiful. When I put the sauce, just drizzle the sauce from the top, make sure mushrooms are loaded everywhere. Spread the mushrooms evenly on the top so that you can enjoy every bite with mushroom. Final touches with spring onions again. Earthy flavor in every bite, and this looks heaven. I bet you this is the same restaurant style steak when you go to any of the steakhouse and you order a nice creamy cheesy chicken steak with mushroom sauce. Incredible. This is worth making, worth giving it a time. As you would have noticed, we have used just a single frying basic pan to create this incredible dish. No oven used, no rocket science, no major products being used, all basic homely refrigerator items, and you are ready to go with incredible steak at your home comfort. For more such recipes, do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such interesting. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.